Hello, my name is Sophia, and today we're going to look at something very special. Let's take a close look in the box. Animal Jam! It's a penguin and his rabbit. It's a penguin, his rabbit, and wings. There's also these cool houses. And this one's in my favorite color. Let's see what's in these houses. A booklet. A hat. And a fox. A deer. This booklet shows you all the Animal Jams figures you can get. He's so cute, he has hair. And he also comes with a hat. This one has sparkles. And it has a food bowl. This one's quite see-through. Comes with binoculars and a food bowl. Oh, it's a bear. It's so cute. You can also put this heart on him. Wow, this one's a snake. It's so cool. Look at this one's little teeth. He also comes with wings. It's a dog. And his tongue's sticking out. He looks so cute in his wings. It's my favorite color. And it's also green on the bottom. The houses can stack to display your Animal Jam figures. These fantastic toys are from Jazwares. Thanks for watching. I hope you like my photos. See you later.